Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a wavy text effect in Affinity. So, let's jump right in. I'm going to grab the pen tool and click here to add a node. Then I'll click here to add another node. You'll see a preview line showing where the next node will go. I don't need that, so I'll press escape to stop there. Now I'm gonna move the cursor to this node, then press and hold Alt and Shift and drag the handles out to curve the line. Press escape. I'm gonna do the same to this node. Press and hold Alt and Shift, then drag the handles out. Press escape. And we've got our first wavy line. Now I'm gonna duplicate it. I'll select the Move tool. I'll press Enter to bring up the Move/Duplicate dialog box. On horizontal, I'll change it to 10 pixels. Then 10 pixels on vertical as well. I'll check duplicate. And on number of copies, I'll slide it to set how many copies I want. 40 copies are enough for me. Now I'll click OK. Next, I'll press Ctrl A to select all. Then I'll right-click on the layers and group them. Let's move them to the center. Now I'll grab the Artistic Text tool and type a letter. I'm going with X. I'll change the font, switch to the Move tool, and set the alignment to center. I'll scale it up a little so it fits the wavy lines. I'll press Ctrl A to select all of them, then switch to the Shape Builder tool. I'll head to the Context toolbar and set the action to minus. I'll select the extended lines to remove them, the sides of the lines, and also the other lines to remove as well. Let's zoom in a bit so we can see and clear out some of the smaller lines. Let's zoom back up now. I'll select the Move tool, deselect everything, and hide the letter X. Now I'm gonna modify the lines a little. I'll select them and scale them up. Then I'll go to the stroke panel and change the width to 10 points. I'll go down to the pressure settings, click on it, drag this point down, add another point in the center, and drag it up. And just like that, the lines are now thinner on the edges. Then I'll go up here and check Scale with Object to make sure the stroke width follows when we resize the lines. And our wavy text effect is actually done already. But let's make it look even better. Let's change the background color. I'll go to the pixel menu at the top and select New Fill Layer. I'll drag it down in the Layers panel and change the color to black. After that, I'll select the lines again, go to the Context toolbar, and change the context to Stroke. Then I'll change the color to white. That already looks great, but we can use a gradient color tool. I'll select the layer. Let's go back to the color setting, select the Gradient tab, change this top to red, and this one to yellow. Now I can't see the changes yet, so let's drag this gradient stop upward and this one downward. And it's done. So that's how to create a wavy text effect in Affinity. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and bye.